name is Aisyah Natu Sabrina. I'm a chairperson of Group 7. Me and my friends will review the news about public health service in West Sumatra Province. The function of public health center is a center of local public health, guiding public's participation to improve their ability to live healthy and providing health service to the local public. There are two kinds of health service: promotive, preventive, and medical service.
Hi! Okay, in this video, I will review the health center in West Sumatra. The first is health service in the city of Padang. According to one patient, Mr. Hendra, a person suffering from lung disease, complained about the poor service from the puskesmas to the patient. He said that one Wednesday, he did not get doctor service when he went to the Rawang puskesmas. When he arrived at the puskesmas, a nurse immediately rejected him and said the service hours are closed, even though it is still working hours around 2 p.m. And then what Mr. Henda complained about related to the puskesmas service was the lack of friendly staff to the patient. Based on the problems, I feel that puskesmas service they are not going well. Puskesmas officers should provide the best service to the patient, not the other way around. So that this public service institution must really provide excellent service to the community, and it is expected to provide the best service to the patient because all this aim to lead to the health Indonesia state. Number 2. West Sumatra border resident complaining of health service. They find it difficult to get health service. Is what revealed by a local community leader, Mr. Eko Purwanto. He said that to get health service, he had to travel dozens of kilometers. It's very difficult for residents because they had to travel long distance. From this problem, I can conclude that the lack of equal distribution of health service in Indonesia, especially in inland area, should mean that residents who live far from the city center should experience health service without expansion, because health service are basic service that must be fulfilled by the government. The government must carry out a service function because this involves human life.
Hello, my name is Sharifah Ayuni. I want to review the news about 24-hour health center service in Padang City and Tanjung Gadang Health Center towards top 45 national level public service innovation. To improve service to the public, 7 health centers in Padang City are ready to open 24-hour service. This is done so the public can use the health center service, so there is no need to wait in the morning for treatment. The head of the Padang City Health Office said that the 24-hour center service is currently only for nursing health center for fixed polyclinic until 3 p.m. So far, there are 7 health centers operating 24 hours, namely Lubuk Buaya Health Center, Seberang Padang Health Center, Pau Health Center, Air Dingin Health Center, Nanggalo Health Center, Bungus Health Center, and Ikokoto Health Center. Meanwhile, for outpatient service such as general clinic, children, and family planning, there are 3 health centers that can be accessed until 9 p.m., including the Lubuk Buaya Health Center, Andalas Health Center, and the Pau Health Center. This step is the right step, so the people who need health service are not confused about where to go. Next, the Tanjung Gadang Health Center. Tanjung Gadang Health Center has become the ambassador for Sijunjung Regency in assessing excellent service and public service innovation at the provincial level in West Sumatra. Thanks to this achievement, Tanjung Gadang Health Center is in the top 5 at the West Sumatra level. The success of the Tanjung Gadang Health Center cannot be separated from collaborative work and innovation that involves all parties. The success that has been made by the Tanjung Gadang Health Center is expected to be an example for improving public service in all government agencies in Sijunjung Regency, especially in the health service sector, which often causes complaints and disappointment in the public in the Sijunjung Regency. It is hoped that the service at the Tanjung Gadang Health Center will be even more improved than it is now, so the public will be comfortable seeking treatment in the health center. That's all my review about 24 hours health center service in Padang City and Tanjung Gadang Health Center towards top 45 national level public service innovation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dafari Handa. I want to review the news about Puskesmas Tanjung Gadang to top 45. Mas Petak or Masyarakat Peduli TB Tanjung Gadang. Public Service Innovation at the national level. And Quality Analysis of Padang City Health Center Service using important techniques performance analysis. Quality Analysis of Padang City Health Center Service using important techniques performance analysis. Puskesmas, as one of the basic healthcare facilities that provide quality service, should be able to maintain the quality of service. The quality of service is not only how clinical activities are carried out, but also concern various aspects beyond that, such as comfort, service procedures, and officer-patient communication. The health service is said to be of good quality if the service is organized efficiently. How Puskesmas keep their promise in terms of service time. My opinion on the quality of healthcare service based on this article health service for Puskesmas to be able to improve service by providing comfortable physical facilities for patients, making the service system efficient and coordinating with internal and external parties or stakeholders. Puskesmas Tanjung Gadang to top 45, Mas Petak Public Service Innovation at the national level. The independent panelist team of Public Service Innovation competition, chaired by Professor G.B. Kristiadi and others, expressed and exposed about Mas Petak innovation. The assessment of public service innovation competition paid by Ministry of Utilization of State Apparatus and Bureaucratic Reform of the Republic of Indonesia. Also discussed the service excellence of Mas Petak. Therefore, the region claimed to have made a circular so that each Puskesmas also made the innovation of tuberculosis service. My opinion on the quality of healthcare service in Sijunjung area based on this article has been better, especially in the health service about tuberculosis disease. Can be seen from the achievement of Puskesmas in helping to eradicate tuberculosis disease, such as Puskesmas Tanjung Ampalu, Puskesmas Kamang, and Puskesmas Kumanis. That's all review about Puskesmas Tanjung Gadang to top 45 Mas Petak or Masyarakat Peduli TB Tanjung Gadang, Public Service Innovation at the national level, and Quality Analysis of Padang City Health Center Service using important techniques, a performance analysis. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Indah Sarah Kusuma. I want to review the news about the Ibu Health Center is projected as a pilot community health center in Sumatra Island. Enjoy!
Okay, next I will make a review about the Ibu Health Center service. The Ibu Health Center is located in Gatot Subroto Street, number 32, Ibu, West Payakumbuh Subdistrict, Payakumbuh City, West Sumatra. The Ibu Health Center is projected to achieve full accreditation and become a pilot health center on the island of Sumatra. This, of course, is not without reason. The Ibu Health Center is considered to have quality in health service, both in terms of place, facilities, health personnel, and health equipment. Currently, the Ibu Health Center also serves the needs of the community through the JAPRI and Sipaduko programs. JAPRI is an acronym for Jemput Antar Pasien Persalinan Rawat Inap, and Sipaduko is an acronym for Sistem Informasi Terpadu Puskesmas Kota. Sipaduko is a digital-based service using Android. But apart from all that, of course, the Ibu Health Center still needs to make a lot of improvement in health service and facilities so that people are comfortable and satisfied with the service provided.
In the end, I hope that the Ibu Health Center can improve health service in the future. That is all from me. Thank you.
Okay, that's all the reviews of journals and articles about public health service in Public Health Center in West Sumatra Province. We can conclude that each of them have a superiority and also failing in different points. We can see it from the patient's experiences and also from service standard measurement by accreditation. Public have a big hope to the government and other parties, either internal or external parties, to work together to evaluate and put more concern in innovation and increase the quality of public health in West Sumatra. It is all to create a balance between expected service and perceived service.